Hey everyone, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and set up railings for this whole yard area here. We're gonna use our horizontal handrail kits and connect them all together. So this is gonna run 24 feet across. So we're gonna have 6 feet runs over here, so we need a total of 4 of the 6-foot runs handrail kits over here. We're gonna do a 90-degree turn, and this is 8.8 feet. So we're gonna get it with a 2 4-feet section to build out most of this perimeter here. So that will give us this total L perimeter all around the side. The way we're gonna do this is that we're gonna use some of these cable fence posts. What I have here is 1 3/8 inch diameter post here, and we're gonna cut it in half and drive 2 to 3 feet into the ground, and the rest of it will hold our post in place. When we get to our posts, we're also gonna cut the bottom out, so this way they will be clean and ready to go into the grass area. All right, so I'm gonna get started. All right, so we have everything set up over here. So what we have are all the railings that are lined up over here. We purposely built them out, they're all ready to go. And what we wanna do is, this will help us quickly know where to put our post into the ground. So it's all lined up. When we're ready, we just put them on like they're sleeves over the pole, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and start hammering our post into the ground. All right, so what we've done is we've put all the posts down into the ground, and that is gonna help us hold the handrail system in place. So what we're gonna do now is put them one by one, and then we're gonna use these connectors to connect the top rail all together. And we should have it at the end of the day. Okay, so what we have here, everything is put together, everything is connected. You can always adjust the height up and down a little bit as you need. And then what we can do is pop a screw in at the bottom. Otherwise, I'm gonna go ahead and test the system out. So this is pretty loose soil, and we put about 3 feet of the tubular bar into the soil. And we're gonna see how well this does. So I'm gonna pull on it. Ugh. All right. So I would say that passes the test.